Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your Windows license will expire soon on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select end task. After doing it, select run new task on top and select here check mark create this task with administrative privileges and type here explorer.exe. After typing it, select OK. After getting done, just close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and you will be get the message like this. Click on OK and just close stuff here. For the changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to search for Windows License Manager service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to disabled and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you need to search for Windows Update service. Just double click on it. Set this startup types to disabled and then select apply and OK. Now you just need to close stuff here. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type gpedit .msc. Click on it. Now you just need to click on the computer configuration, expand the administrative templates and expand the Windows components and now find Windows Update. Just expand it and click on the legacy policies. On right side, you just need to find no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installation. You just need to double click on it. Set this to enabled and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now for the changes take effect, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart the PC. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.